That was quite the storm we had last night. Fortunately, tonight it appears will be much calmer. The central UP was blasted by a thunder and lightning storm last night that included winds in excess of 50 miles per hour. Ishpeming Fire Department firefighters responded to a report of a tree struck by lightning on Lake Street shortly before midnight. Trees downed by heavy winds were reported at Ford River in Delta County as well as in Gladstone and Cornell, according to National Weather Service meteorologist Lily Chapman. Our ABC 10 meteorologist Morris Langsworthy is always saying, "When thunder roars, stay indoors," and he is not wrong. Chapman said such dangerous weather is not expected this evening, but some spotty showers are possible overnight.